Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Today I would like to present is about the Human Capital and Achievement in Knowledge Transfer project. This is my outline of the presentations for today. I will start with the introduction, objective, concept, literature review, methodology, finding and conclusion. So, as an introduction, in our economic world today, recasting human capital value, generating a new knowledge and transforming into a new product or service is a very crucial issues that to ensure our global competitiveness among a business, especially in Malaysia. So, government take a step to implement one program that we call as a knowledge transfer program, or we knowing as a KTP. So this is being a good idea actually to establish the contributions of the academia and also our graduate capability in translating the theory that they learn, they know, a knowledge, skills, and develop to become a good idea, a real idea and benefit for industry and also the community, especially in Malaysia. One of the issues to implement the concept of knowledge transfer in the program itself is actually a sense of human capitals being a challenge, especially when our human capitals, let's say the lecturers, okay, the academia and also the graduate, okay, a lack of readiness, okay, they're not really ready, and the willingness, okay, not really willing to share, okay, whatever they have with the community, industry, and university, okay. So this is become a big issue in terms of to implement the concept of transfer knowledge. They know actually how to teach. They know actually how actually to share, but in the real concept of the knowledge transfer itself, okay, the issue of the lack of readiness and willingness become a crucial issue, okay, to implement the KT project. Okay, this is actually from the past literature. Okay, they find out that okay, the readiness and willingness will be one of the issue in terms of the implementations of KT. Okay, from the SPARC in Miyake, the research to year 2000. To solve this problem, okay, to solve the problems of the readiness, okay, between the academia itself and also the stakeholder, okay, inline the process, okay, to implement the transfer knowledge, so the academia and graduate intern actually really need a strong knowledge transfer mechanism. Okay, so the important things actually how they can transfer their knowledge and their skills, okay, to the community, to the industry. So expertise, experience, and transfer mechanism in university has a human capital factor will influence the knowledge transfer achievement. Okay, so the readiness, okay, the willingness, and also plus with the mechanism, okay, how they transfer the knowledge, okay, that will actually influence the success of the knowledge transfer process. The dynamic process of transferring a knowledge from the university, industry, community will involve a few mechanisms. Okay, for example, in this research, actually, we are referring in 4 collaborations, community and practice, solicited, and also the coaching mechanism. The objective of this study actually to identify the mediating effect of the knowledge transfer mechanism on the relationship between the human capital value towards the knowledge transfer achievement in Malaysia. Okay, so the KT mechanisms itself has a concept, is an approach, technique, method undertaken to transfer the knowledge from the giver to the receiver, okay, of the knowledge itself. Okay, as a literature review, there is a lot actually. Literature review will talk about the mechanism, about the what is the tools they use actually to transfer from the knowledge, from the skills to the community or industry. So based on the DV given, and also the measurements, they said there's 3 levels of involvement in terms of the knowledge transfer. There are technology development, technology acceptance, and also technology application. From the given part, and Friends 2000, they suggest that knowledge transfer involves 2 actions: transmissions and also absorption. There is a lot of methods in the training. Also we use the same method in terms of the transfer knowledge, the transfer knowledge and skills to the community industry is based on the lecture, case study, assigned reading, on the job training, job rotations, and so far. This is based from the past, the previous literature. From this Yuching, they said the mechanism used to facilitating learning, it should be the training program, experiential learning by doing, and also can use in terms of the knowledge transfer. So basically the methodology of this study is a quantitative. We try to find the relationship between the indicators. So the target actually sampling, we try to find 460 project representative, and we get the return 267 from this from the questionnaire distribution. The questionnaire actually is adapted from the previous literature, is a Likert skills 1 to 5, and the method that we use actually to collect a data is based on the face-to-face interview and also email. The data analysis, we use the descriptive data analysis based on the PLS. This is the result. So based on the result, this is the result of the measurement model, show that all the above 0.5 to justify using this construct, so it's valid, right? Based on the measurement result. So this is the result actually from the part analysis, based on the PLS result. So from the result, we can see that the R square is worth 0.4, is suggested by 43.2% of the variance, and KT achievement can be explained by the knowledge transfer mechanism. In terms of the last result, it is indicate that the human capital that measured by the academia capability and also the graduate intern capability as positive significantly with a knowledge transfer mechanism. KTM or knowledge transfer mechanism also is a positive significant relations with the knowledge transfer project achievement. This result indicate that the human capital based on the academia capability and also the graduate capability play the important roles in terms of the knowledge transfer project assessment through the mediations of knowledge transfer mechanism. So to achieve a good result from the knowledge transfer project, we need not only the academia capability or graduate interns has a human capital indicator, but also the important thing how we can transfer based on actually the mechanism, how we transfer the knowledge and skill. So as a conclusions, the findings show the knowledge transfer mechanism, mechanisms does mediate the relationship between the academia and graduate interns capability or human capital capability towards the transfer knowledge success. This result indicate how important actually the knowledge transfer mechanism in calculating human capital value capability to respond to the industry and also the community needs. Finding from this research can be significantly helped the university in order to producing graduate to strengthen them has an economic asset to improve, okay, the human capital probability, the human capital capability. Sorry, applying the right mechanisms also will lead the success of the KPT project in the future. Thank you.